Well, I got my D loop done. It's on there now. I'm going to play with the rest a little bit. I loosened my Prusik knot or whatever. So get my Hansky Gen 2 level. Put it on there. We can level the bow up a little bit. You can use it's a pretty coarse adjustment. Tighten it down. You can kind of bump it a little bit. And that's money. I don't care about this way, but I'll move it anyway because it's easy enough. Put my arrow on. Coming soon. Anyway, we need to go up a little bit. Got my Allen wrench. This is the Trinity rest, so it's got a micro adjust to it. Like I said, I run it up pretty high to get it to hold for me. All right, my bubble is a little bit knock high, but that's how I like it. Gives you a little bit of a tail high, and that way it's clearing the rest. Not that I have an issue with that, but that's just my starting point. My little teaser on my level, I'm calling it the mag level, bat mag level. Anyway, it's got a magnet so you can keep track of it. So now it's time to go shoot this thing.